Alright, welcome viewers. It's time for Friday's blog. Are you ready, peoples? Because I am. Today, I am on the phone with a great friend of mine. Her name is Rochelle DeCamp. Say hi, Rochelle. Say hi. She doesn't want to say hi, but she's there on the phone, so yeah, yeah. Anyway, what to do today? I woke up at like 4 o'clock on the computer, then went back to bed, then woke up, and then drove home. Um, then I came back and I played my DS and texted Lily and Dylan for a while. Now I'm on the phone with Rochelle. Rochelle, how are you feeling today?
Good, a little embarrassed that you're putting me on your blog.
I know, right? It's just so awesome. You're gonna be world famous. OMG.
Hanson is gonna kill me.
Hanson is going to kill you, which is going to be hilarious.
Why?
No, no, no. So yeah. Hanson,
Find a way to stab me through Facebook. I'm serious.
Hanson, yeah, someone's gonna stab you. Hanson, I'm sorry for about yesterday and stuff. Although your sister is being really funny yesterday. Sydney, yeah, Sydney's awesome. Riley, not so much, but okay, whatever. Yeah, just sitting at home, chilling, talking to Shell Shell.
Don't call me that.
She shell by the seashore.
Shut up.
The Shellinator.
Yeah, because I'm terrifying.
Decampinator.
Okay then.
Oh yeah, we're just that skilled. Alright, we're 2 minutes
Yeah.
we're 2 minutes in, and what are we gonna advertise for today? I don't know, let's find something to advertise. Let's look around. Oh, this looks like a good idea. Alright. For advertisement of the day is Crush brand soda. It's orange delicious.
Yeah.
Get out of my shot. Anyway, I'm just chilling here with the folks, chilling at home. Gotta watch some of my kids later. Yeah.
You know I'm gonna watch this as soon as you upload it, right?
You would watch it as soon as I upload it. Huh. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to play music in the background, and today's musical choice is going to be from the Karate Kid, and I can't remember the name of the song at the moment, but I'm going to play it, because I know what the song is. I just don't know what the name of the song is. So let's take a second and go over and find this song on YouTube.
That'd be helpful if I knew what song you were talking about.
Uh-huh.
Is my phone safer?
Yeah, now I remembered what the song is called. Are you guys ready? Because we're gonna do You're the Best Around by, I don't know. But it's the best around. It's from the Karate Kid, and the Karate Kid's a great movie. What did you say, Rochelle?
I've never seen it.
I know, because you're a movie communist, and you hate all good movies.
No, I like movies.
She hates Star Wars, people. I mean, come on, she hates Star Wars, and Indiana Jones, and Lord of the Rings.
Actually, I do like Indiana Jones. Oh my god.
One of the
I don't
greatest.
like Lord of the Rings because Frodo is stupid and Star Wars is for nerds.
She doesn't like one of the best movies of all time. I mean, those are classics. That's like saying you don't like the Godfather movies.
I've never seen them.
Or Goodfellas.
I've never seen that.
Because you're movingly challenged.
Are you not?
Really?
Yeah.
Name your 10 favorite movies.
Top 10?
Hold on, I have to pause the video so people can hear your bad taste in movies. Alright. Top 10
Okay.
top 10 movies.
Number 1, Eclipse. 2, Dark Knight. 3, Batman Begins. 4, trying to think, Twister? With, Valentine
Yeah,
Stilton? Yeah.
yeah.
6, wait, yeah, 6, right?
5, I think.
5, okay, 5. Up, actually. I thought it would look stupid, but I just love it. Prom Night, 8, Quarantine, 9, Paranormal Activity, and 10, Fired Up.
That just proves how bad her movies were. There were like three. There were like three movies in there I actually liked. All right, let's go. Number one for me is probably either Step Brothers, combination of Step Brothers or Blades of Glory. You're retarded. You have no sense of humor. Two,
There
two,
is no good plot or anything.
two. The original Star Wars movie, great. The New Hope, great movie. Three, Raiders of the Lost Ark, great movie.
I like that movie.
Four, I personally like the last Lord of the Rings the best, so I'm gonna go with Return of the King. Five, I'm gonna be a little cliche Pokemon man right now, and I just have to say Pokemon the first movie. Six, um, The Matrix. The Matrix. Seven, I don't know. Seven is it's a hard one. I'm trying to think of some good movies at the moment. Nick and Nora's Infinite Playlist, great movie. Eight. Um, Trying to think of a horror movie. The Ring is pretty scary. That's a good movie. Um, Nine. Um, Nine. Nine. Independence Day with Will Smith. Great movie. Great movie. 10. Um, it's a combination of 51st Dates and God, 51st Dates and that other Adam Sandler movie. Can't remember the name of right at the moment, but that other Adam Sandler movie. Any movie with Adam Sandler is good. But yeah, those are my top 10. You should comment below and tell us what you guys think about our movie choices and how much hers suck. Um, yeah. So,
What about the top 10 worst movies you've ever seen?
top 10 worst movies I have ever seen. There are a lot of bad movies I've seen. I'm gonna go out and just start with all the chick flicks I hate. 10, The Notebook. Horrible movie. God, that movie was just horrible. 9, Jaws 4. Oh my. Okay, watch Jaws 1 and Jaws 2. Great movies. Jaws 3 was okay. Watch Jaws 4 and you might as well commit suicide, because that is just a horrible movie. Um, let's see here. Any Disney sequel. Really, they all suck. I have to say that all the Disney movie sequels suck. Um, I'm gonna go out and say Lemony Snicket's in the series of Unfortunate Events, the movie with Jim Carrey. That was a horrible movie. Horrible. Hated it. Um, let's see here. Eh, Up was okay. We got 1 minute left, Rochelle. So you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna talk about randomness.
Okay, what should we talk about that?
Now, no randomness. We got 50 seconds left. We got 50-second watch block. On 50 seconds, have you been watching Degrassi, Rochelle?
Yes, I have.
I have been too. Fiona's being beat up by her boyfriend.
I know I like Fiona now. I know why I stay here and now I like her.
And Anya and Sav are back together because of a fake pregnancy. If I, if I was if I was Sav, I would have punched her in her face. Like I would not have gotten back with her.
I was gonna punch her in the face.
I would have been like, yeah, but she faked a pregnancy to get back at him. I mean, it's just wrong. We got 15 seconds left, so we're gonna go with this is Shane Brown and Rochelle DeCamp, and you have been officially brownified for the weekend. See you guys. Peace. I'm out.